Hey, what's going on? What is going on, everybody? Street Trading coming at you with this week's weekly trade recap for the first full week of May 2022. What a week. What a trap that Wednesday Fed 2 p.m. meeting. Boys just laid that thing cleanly. Any coincidence the market sold off into it and got a solid average before catching all the bulls to the upside. Literally, what a trap it was. What a trap. Clean. I mean, that's the street, guys. Listen, at the end of the day, you know how the market is. The market is 150% rigged. No question about it. Don't cry over it. All right? That is the reality of the market. All right? Trade the flow. Trade what's being printed. Don't fall for the headlines. Don't fall for the fill in the blank. All right? It is what it is. That is the markets in a nutshell. They are rigged 100%. And if you think otherwise, you are playing right into that trap. This is not an opinion, guys. You guys know that, obviously. Every single year, every quarter, there's always some fund, some institution, some market maker, some whatever getting caught for X, Y, and Z in the market. It happens every single day. This past week was a pretty good indication of that reality. But listen, whenever there's fear in the market, which is on a daily, whenever there's greed in the market, which is on a daily, you can take advantage of these emotions, fear and greed, right? That's what moves the market. You can take advantage of these types of drastic overextensions to the upside and to the downside. And obviously, when you're taking advantage of these things, there'll be plenty of stops along the way because, you know, obviously no one's going to be able to be timed to the top or the bottom. Obviously not. When you try, you're going to get stopped out more times than not. So just wait for the chop, so to speak, to unfold and enjoy the ride. Okay. If you're wrong, get out. Get out. And we took plenty of stops this week. We put up a couple videos about them that we're going to go obviously in this video as well. But, you know, take the L. Take a step back, get back in. If you're wrong, you're wrong. If you're right but too early, get back in. Erase the L and then continue on the way. Right? So don't overcomplicate things, guys. It's been a pretty interesting week. We anticipate some more chop along the way next week. Should be an interesting summer, actually. It's very interesting how the huge sentiment that obviously the market printed completely got flipped on its head. Let's get into this week's session. What we ended up trading, what worked, what didn't work, and stops we took along the way. And there's some good lessons here. All right, some good lessons. All right, let's get into it, guys.